Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll discuss about few command promote for Windows 10, which will be more effective for your using life. Let me show what is that and how to do that. Viewers, welcome back. If you want to work on command promote, then you have to open the command promote. To open command promote, you have two systems. Like if you go to run and write the cmd, you can get that command promote window. And another way is go to search button and write here cmd and right click on command promote, run as administrator, and press on yes. This is also command promote window, but it's as administrator and it's as a user. So if you want to execute all the commands from your command promote window, then you have to use this administrator mode. Then just close this user mode. Now I'll show a few important commands for your PC. Normally, if we want to change the password of Windows, then normally we are going to control panel and user accounts, make change to my PC settings and sign in options, and from here we can change our password. This is the password. You can change password from here, but if we want to change the password from our command mode, then just type here net user, press enter, and here to user. This is the administrator by default, and this is the main administrator, which is known as the seminar. This is the PC name, which is given by me. Just now I'll change the PC password. Just write net user, and this seminar will be here like PC name. And now write here your password. What you want to set your PC? Like I'm setting the password 987654. Sorry. Semi 1 2 3 4 5 6, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will be my password. Yeah, the command completed successfully. It means my PC password is now set to 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I log into my PC, lock my PC, then it will require for login 1 2 3 4 5 6. Like I'm locked now. I'm moving to the next command. Like my PC is connected to the network. This is Wi-Fi connected. If you want to get the password of this Wi-Fi SSID, then normally we are moving to network and sharing center, and we will go to adapter settings, or from here just click on here and see the wireless properties, and this is a security key. If we show the characters, this is the password. If we uncheck, then password will hide. This is the way to get password. And if we want to get that password from the command promote, just write so many informations about my wireless internet connection and wireless card information, then I can get it from the command promote window. If I want to get, then I have to write here ipconfig /all. If I use all, then I'll get every information about, or I have mistake here, so I have to write here again ip config/all. Yeah, now you can see all the information about my LAN card is in front of you. And all the informations of my network card is available here. Now I'm moving to the next step. Like if I though I am connected to my PC with a internet connection, but if I want to get is it connected with internet or not, you can go to check with Google. So we can check ping from Google. So we'll take a reply from Google. So www.google.com space. Just we'll check the reply from Google. Yeah, it's replying, and it's getting ping from Google. We're getting ping from Google. So if I want to get the command promote right option again, just press on Ctrl+C. Now it's again ready to take your command. And another special options for you, that if you want to use 2 or more command in a time, then you have to use the symbol of and double. Like I'm showing you, I'll use ipconfig and mspaint at a time. So I'll use ipconfig space double the symbol of and space mspaint, just press on enter. You can see this symbol will be used within 2 commands. Now press on enter. Now you can see the paint is open and ipconfig order is already taken by this order. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. And another information is that if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, or you can press the bell icon for next video. Thank you again.